Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching this video, please don't forget to give your like, your comment, share, and surely subscribe this video. Okay, let's check it out and hope you enjoy this video. First of all, introduce. My name is Morten Mumu, an English teacher of SMP Negeri 7 Bitung in North Sulawesi. I teach English for 7th grade, so of course this video or this content is dedicated or addressed to those who are in 7th grade, so that you can still study English very well in the middle of this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, just go straight to the point. Chapter 1, Good morning, how are you? Okay, before studying this lesson, first of all I will give you the basic competencies and indicators of this lesson. Jadi untuk kompetensi dasar ada dua, yaitu untuk pengetahuan, knowledge, and skill atau keterampilan. Jadi untuk ketika titik satu atau pengetahuannya, yaitu siswa dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks, interaksi interpersonal lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan menyapa, berpamitan, mengucapkan terima kasih dan meminta maaf, serta menanggapinya sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Dan untuk kompetensi dasar keterampilannya, siswa dapat menyusun teks interaksi interpersonal lisan dan tulis sangat pendek dan sederhana yang melibatkan tindakan menyapa, berpamitan, mengucapkan terima kasih dan meminta maaf, dan menanggapinya dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteks. Serta untuk indikatornya, indikator pengetahuannya ada 3. Yang pertama, mengidentifikasi ungkapan yang digunakan untuk ungkapan sapaan dalam bahasa Inggris, mengidentifikasi ungkapan yang digunakan untuk berpamitan, dan yang ketiga, mengidentifikasi ungkapan yang digunakan untuk melakukan sapaan dalam bahasa Inggris. Serta indikator untuk keterampilannya ada 3 juga. Yang pertama, melakukan tindak tutur berpamitan dalam bahasa Inggris dengan percaya diri, melakukan tindak tutur ungkapan sapaan dalam bahasa Inggris dengan percaya diri, dan yang ketiga atau yang terakhir, melakukan percakapan interpersonal dengan menggunakan ungkapan sapaan melalui kegiatan terintegrasi menyimak, membaca, berbicara, dan menulis dengan percaya diri. Okay, let's go to the point. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's study English. Greeting. Before studying greeting, of course we need to know what greeting is or what the definition of greeting is. And here I have given you a conclusion about greeting, which I get from some references that I read. So the first definition, greeting is an act of communication in which human beings intentionally make their presence known to each other. And the second, greeting is simply a way of saying hello to someone. Jadi intinya atau mudahnya, greeting adalah sebuah tindakan komunikasi atau ungkapan ketika kita menyapa orang lain. Oke, jadi sekali lagi, greeting atau sapaan adalah sebuah tindakan komunikasi ketika kita menyapa orang lain. Oke, lanjut, next. Actually, greeting is divided into 2 parts. Atau salam itu dibagi dalam 2 bagian, yaitu the first one formal greeting and the second one informal greeting. Okay, the first one about formal greeting atau salam yang sopan dan resmi, which is a greeting used in a formal situation, such as in a business meeting, meeting someone for the first time, or doing a presentation. Jadi formal greeting itu adalah sebuah salam yang digunakan ketika kita dalam situasi resmi atau situasi yang sopan. Contohnya ketika dalam pertemuan bisnis, atau ketika kita bertemu orang untuk pertama kali, atau ketika kita memaparkan tugas kita. Oke. Yang kedua, informal greeting atau salam tidak resmi dan sopan, yaitu A greeting which is used when we meet our friends, families, or anyone else that we are familiar with. Jadi, informal greeting adalah sebuah salam yang kita gunakan ketika kita bertemu teman, keluarga, atau orang yang dekat dengan kita. Jadi mudahnya, formal greeting itu adalah salam yang sopan untuk ketika kita bertemu dengan seseorang pertama kali atau ketika kita melakukan tugas. Sementara informal greeting adalah sebuah salam yang kita gunakan ketika kita bertemu dengan orang yang kita kenal. Okay? I think you can copy it, okay? Or you can understand what I say. And next, the first one about formal greeting atau salam yang sopan. You can see here, this is the formal greeting, and the other side, it's about their responses atau responnya. Jadi, formal greeting yang pertama, I will read it for you. Good morning atau selamat pagi, good day selamat siang, good afternoon selamat siang atau selamat sore, good evening selamat malam, dan good night. So, if I say good morning atau ketika saya bilang good morning, your response is good morning too. Jadi respon kalian atau balasan kalian good morning too. And if I say good day, your response is good day. If I say good afternoon, your response is good afternoon. If I say good evening, your response is good evening. And if I say good night, your response is good night. Okay, once again. Good morning, your response is good morning too. Good day, your response is good day too. Good afternoon, your response is good afternoon too. Good evening, your response is good evening too. And good night, your response is good night too. Okay? And the next one about apa kabar. Apa kabar ada beberapa bagian di sini. Yang pertama atau the first one, how are you? Okay, once again sekali lagi, how are you? How are you? If I say how are you, your response is I'm fine. I'm fine. You say I'm fine, kalian bilang I'm fine if you are feeling happy, ketika kalian sedang merasa senang. Or you can say I'm not fine when you are not feeling happy. Okay, atau ketika kalian sedang merasa tidak senang. Sekali lagi, how are you? How are you? Your response is I'm fine. I'm fine atau I'm not fine. I'm not fine. Okay, depend on your condition or situation. Next, how is life? Once again, how is life? How is life? If I say how is life, your response is I'm good. I'm good. You say I'm good when you are feeling happy, and when you are not feeling happy, you can say I'm not good. I'm not good. Okay, once again, how is life? How is life? Your response is I'm good. I'm good atau I'm not good. I'm not good. Next, how is everything? Once again, how is everything? How is everything? If I say how is everything, your response is everything is okay. Or everything is not okay. Depend on your condition, okay? If you are feeling happy, you can reply it with everything is okay. And if you are not feeling happy, you can respond it with everything is not okay. Once again, how is everything? How is everything? If I say how is everything, your response is everything is okay. Or everything is not okay. Next, how do you do? Once again, how do you do? If I say how do you do, your response is how do you do? How do you do? Okay, I think you must be confused with this one, okay? Kenapa how do you do dibalasnya dengan how do you do? Nanti akan saya jelaskan nanti adik-adik. Jadi sekali lagi, how do you do? Your response is how do you do? And the last one, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Your response is nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Okay? Dan di sini ada notes-nya atau keterangannya. Number one, good morning is used at good morning. Jadi good morning atau selamat pagi digunakan ketika jam 12 tengah malam sampai jam 12 siang. Kemudian yang kedua, good day atau selamat siang is used at 12 a.m. Jadi good day itu digunakan hanya tepat jam 12 siang. Sekali lagi, good day digunakan tepat jam 12 siang. Dan yang ketiga, good afternoon is used after 12 a.m. to 18 p.m. Jadi, setelah lewat jam 12 siang, adik-adik tidak lagi menggunakan good day ya, tapi good afternoon. And next, good evening is used at 18 p.m. to the midnight a.m. Jadi good evening digunakan dari jam 18 petang sampai dengan jam 12 tengah malam. Nah, and for this one about how do you do? If I say how do you do, your response is how do you do. Why atau kenapa? Because how do you do is used when we meet someone for the first time. Jadi how do you do itu digunakan ketika kita bertemu dengan seseorang yang baru pertama kali kita bertemu. Ketika kita bertemu seorang yang baru pertama kali kita bertemu, kita bisa menggunakan how do you do dan balasannya adalah how do you do. Jadi sama seperti nice to meet you yang dibalas dengan nice to meet you too. Okay? I hope you can copy it and understand it. Next, it's about informal greeting. You can see here, these are the informal greeting expression and the other side about their responses. Okay, I will read it for you. Number one, what's up? Once again, what's up? If I say what's up, your response is pretty well. Pretty well. Okay, once again, what's up? What's up? If I say what's up, your response is pretty well. Pretty well. Next, what's new? What's new? If I say what's new, your response is nothing much. Nothing much. Okay, once again, what's new? What's new? Your response is nothing much. Nothing much. Okay, next, how is it going? How is it going? If I say how is it going, your response is not bad. Not bad. Okay, and the last one, how have you been? How have you been? How have you been? If I say how have you been, your response is I have been fine. I have been fine. I have been fine. Okay, next. I think you can understand it. And now I will give you the example of formal greeting conversation. Jadi contoh dari percakapan mengenai formal greeting. You can see here the example. Good morning Vianney. Good morning Vianney. Good morning Liora. Good morning Liora. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. How about you? How about you? I'm fine too. I'm fine too. Thank you. Thank you. Okay? You can look at here. Perhatikan di sini, pay attention at good morning, how are you? I'm fine. Once again, pay attention to good morning, how are you? I'm fine. These are the formal greetings expressions. Makanya percakapan ini disebut formal greeting conversation. Kenapa? Karena ada kata-kata good morning, how are you, dan I'm fine. Okay? I think you can copy it and understand it. And now I will show you the informal greeting conversation. You can see here. Pay attention. Hi Vianney, long time no see. Hi Vianney, long time no see. Hi Morten, it's been since a long time. Hi Morten, It's been such a long time. What's up anyway? What's up anyway? Pretty well. And you? Pretty well. And you? Me too. Me too. Okay, please pay attention here. You can see a long time no see. What's up? Pretty well. Once again, long time no see. What's up and pretty well. Pay attention. These three are the expressions of informal greeting. That's why this conversation is called informal greeting conversation. Jadi perhatikan, karena ada kata-kata long time no see, what's up dan pretty well, makanya percakapan ini disebut informal greeting conversation. Karena kata-kata tersebut adalah informal greeting expression. Okay? I think you can understand it and copy it. And for the last words, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep studying English. Okay? Thank you so much for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay? Thank you. God bless you.